So what if I said that you nothing don't know about nowadays programmers that are sitting on tutorials on YouTube or go to the Google and Facebook like a junior programmer? What if I said that a simple junior programmer can break Google algorithm or YouTube algorithm or even maybe Google search itself? We name this kind of humans in one word: hackers. What we don't know about them? Are they making a lot of money, or there are poor humans? Who they are in general? In this video, let me show you how it works in real life. So if we imagine that this house is one of the biggest companies in the world, for example Google, and we have a programmer, we have a human which learned programming during years, even maybe 10 years, and come here to get a job. And what happens next? A lot of competition. Programmers from all over the world come to the one place in order to get a job from this kind of IT gigant, because they know what they're gonna get, actually the same thing which you come to get. You are among of the predators which wanna eat you, but with the help of some kind of miraculous you are getting your first junior programmer job, whether you are learning this actually the same thing during years. Oh, alright, you are thinking, okay, I'm gonna rise up and go to do your first working day. There's again this kind of factor like what happens next? Let's be honest in that situation. Big IT giants companies have nearly 1,000 of workers each of them, and even if 99% of humans which nowadays working in a Google are happy that they are working in a Google, they have a big salary, they have enough food, I mean even free food, it doesn't mean that this 1% are happy too. Especially about this 1% I'm gonna speak now. These humans feeling themselves small but in a big system. Actually in real life it's like that, but no one don't speak about that because it's dark side of each IT gigant. Wait, so let's think deeper. Mark Zuckerberg had a 24 hours a day in 19 years old, but time's up, time's going, and he is 13 years old and he make a Facebook. But did his time management change it? Maybe time management changed, but amount of time which he had during 10 years didn't change. But amount of things and amount of humans per day with which he should in this case connect and network are raised for tens or thousands of raises. So this is the mainstream income from where comes a lot of hackers. A lot of humans which are passive, humans which feel themselves bad, and they should, delete this feeling of badness, They should hack, they should make something bad for that human, which made him feel bad. It's simple human physiology. There is not something incredible and utterly bad. These programmers are not jokers. They're just like a little kid from which we take a candy and he's some part of time is crying, but he's come back. And try to. The most important is that is try to get his candy again to his hands. There is actually a lot of income from where comes this kind of humans like anonymous. These persons firstly make something bad, go to the prisons, get to the policy, but then their lives become better and better because they're still programmers, they're just creators which don't have any kind of money, which are impressive and in a depress. They still have a lot of skills which they could use in the right way. So how to become a hacker or skills which no hacker, it's another video. So just write in the comments or like, subscribe, just let me know that you like this content and like this content in this way. Thank you everyone for watching and make sure that you subscribe please.
For 6 months, I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep.